much, please.
No, I know agriculture. How to farm.
Let's go. You are my friend, and don't put me in the position to take your name to the authorities.
Please, I want to put the question.
Please. Please, too much. If what she's saying is true, you better
forget about her. She's trying to say something that will convince you for you to maybe if she's envy about the money
you give it to him. Yes, sir. Don't give it to him.
Now where are you going to come out?
I wanted to give you 10 CDs because of what she said. I'll give you only 5 CDs. Take it.
It would have short in 5. He said would have short in 5. He said would have short in 5. No problem.
Please, stop it. Stop it. It is true. Stop it. Don't make Bob Marley your ambition. Stop smoking.
He's a superstar.
Look at him.
Apart from Jesus Christ, he's the only icon we celebrate his death. What are you trying to say? Bob Marley, don't bring. When we have, don't bring Bob Marley's clone in it. Are you sure? The only icon, apart from Jesus Christ, one was celebrating the death. Bob Marley. Who else? I think forget Bella one. Art.